Morning, Saturday, June 11th, 2021, 22. I'm always behind you, yeah. Give you a quick view. I installed the diamond plate into the bed. Getting ready to just finish cleaning it up. Now I'm getting ready to put the spray on. Yes, I'm going to cover up all that shiny. This little cheap gun I bought, it's becoming a hassle, the trigger sticking and stuff, so I guess this will probably be the last paint job I do with this $35 cheapo gun. Lays out a good pattern. I really like the spray patterns that it lays out. I use about 30 psi when I'm spraying. I think it's going to take a couple of bursts to cover this over. Got a car show tomorrow over in Westport, Massachusetts, so I want to get this finished up. Gun's working again. It took me about a half hour to get it to spray properly. Gonna have to spend another $35, I guess, and buy another one. Alright guys, just a quickie today. Talk to you later.